Alright guys, so I got this little USB port here that I can plug into my radio for like 20 bucks, super cheap, that I can plug into my radio and get Apple CarPlay. Now if you see, there's usually duds along here. So I'm gonna snake this wire down through here. As you see, we have a long wire. And I'm gonna bring it up to the radio. Now it's raining, I apologize, but what can you do? So this is super easy to take off. It's just all clips. So if you just work around it. Now, down here is a little wire that's connected to the airbag light, so just be cautious of that. There we go. I see that just popped out. Might have broke a clip or two. And then we have 4 T20s to take out. So let's get our T20 and take those out. So we got all 4 of those screws removed, our T20s. This just comes right out. Got your whole cluster of wires and all that. Look at that. Should have cleaned that up better, but who's looking? Now, set the radio down there, right past shift knob. Take my cord. What I got here? So there should be a USB somewhere. Here we go. Here's our USB. There's a slot right there. It should be for our, yes, perfect. Slides right on in. Now I have full connectivity to our little USB piece. So now I do have some slack, but I actually have to run this cord up through here, up to come back there, all the way up to the radio. So I'm gonna need 2 hands for that, so I'll be back once I run it through. A real quick update, guys. There's 1 screw here and 1 screw over there. I took those out and lifted this up and then fed it through the back. Reached my other hand through and grabbed it. This comes off super easy. All it is a clip, so you can see right there. And then this little guy that just plugs in over to the side over here. You can see my hands are pretty beat up from reach my arms back there, but I got it through. So yeah, it's just an update for the halfway point. Right, so if you look down there, I got this guy popped in here. Just got to put the cover back on the radio. Now this is just a simple USB cord with your plug for your iPhone there. So all we do is take our plug it in our little spot here, and then you plug your phone straight into this. So here's the finished product for you guys. I have everything wrapped up. Got our USB guy right here. Plug your cord in, good to go. Look at it. The more you know.